Good morning, y'all. So let me show y'all that my mind is everywhere. I'm in here trying to make myself some tea, make my son some breakfast, and I cracked open the eggs and put it in my teacup. Like, oh my gosh. Look at this. Eggs. It has some honey, tea bags in it. Oh my gosh. Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. So I have to make my tea in a different cup now, because even though I cleaned the cup out, when I'm drinking my tea, this is all I'm going to think about, and I'll start gagging. I know it's probably weird to some of y'all, but that's just how I am. I'm like real funny about certain things, and so I just cannot drink out of that cup today. So I'm just going to have a small little cup of tea. This is one of my favorite cups. I bought this cup from Home Goods a while ago, and it's so cute. Just marble. Y'all know I'm obsessed with gray and white marble. And I'm just gonna do, let me see. Y'all know it's, let me put this here. I'm making a mess today. I'm just gonna grab some ginger tea and my favorite peppermint tea. I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. We bought this honey from the farmer's market for like $20. So it's Tony's honey, but I've been using it because I'm all out of my honey. And when he find out how low this honey is, he gonna be so mad. But he don't be using it, so hey. All right, let me fix my son's bacon and eggs for breakfast. Just finished my hair and my makeup. I'm getting ready to do a mukbang. So I'm doing deshelled seafood boil today, and I'm going to make some of that Thai seafood dip. If you guys follow a lot of mukbangers, and you know who Sass ASMR is, and it's the sauce that she used. She calls it the Sass sauce, but there's a Thai seafood sauce. I think it's pretty much the same thing, but the video that I watched this morning, it was a Thai seafood sauce video, and that's what I'm gonna make. It looks pretty good. I don't have anything else to do, like all of us. Welcome to the club. So I wanted to just try something new, so I'm gonna do that. Tony went to the store for me and picked up the ingredients, so I'm gonna go in here and try to make it. Hopefully I like it, because I like zesty, tangy type things. I love lemon. And turn off the light. I gotta get my blanket out of the dryer because I just washed my comforter. And we're in the kitchen now, y'all. So let me pull out all the ingredients and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna use, stuff that I've never used before. So hopefully this goes as planned. Oh, my shirt, it just look crazy. Look at all this. It's okay, still cute. Tony on the porch. Oh, my baby, he's sitting on the porch. Get him some sunshine. I thought I was your sunshine. Here's the ingredients that you would need to make the sauce. So you're supposed to have 5 cloves of garlic. I gotta peel some more. 1 teaspoon of the oyster sauce. So here's my oyster sauce. 2 teaspoons of the fish sauce. Here's the fish sauce. 3/4 of salt. I have some salt right here. 1/2 cup of lime juice. So here's my lime juice. 10 fresh chilies. This is a jalapeno pepper and this is a red chili pepper. But of course I'm not going to use that whole thing because I like a little bit of spice but not that much. So I got to peel some more garlic. Where is my... So here's my garlic. So I just got to do 2 more. And then some chopped cilantro. So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully it turned out right. And I've never had fish sauce, so I have no idea what this tastes like. Have I ever had oyster sauce? I think I have. I'm not too sure. Hopefully I like it. This was $1.99. We bought this from the Asian store. And the fish sauce was $4.99. So it's not cheap, y'all. So let's go ahead and get this party started. I'm just gonna kind of wing it with the sausage, y'all. Y'all, I forgot to add the cilantro, so I had to put some in. All right, y'all, here's the sauce. It has a really good flavor in it. Tony don't like cilantro, so I knew he wasn't gonna like it, but I'll have the link in the description box for you guys if you want to follow along with the dude's recipe. But it tastes pretty good. So hopefully it tastes good on the crabs. Oh, look. Flavor is really good. Y'all know how I am. I'll try something one time and then I play around with it and I'll have it perfect the next time. Oh. The flavor on point though. Now that I have this fish sauce and this oyster sauce, I'm gonna have to look up some different recipes so I can use it, so it's just not sitting in my cabinet. So y'all let me know if you guys use this. What do you use it for? And I can try to make something so it just don't go to waste, because it'll just sit in my cabinet. Y'all, I'm making some fresh cucumber water. This is what I'm gonna have for my video today. Y'all excuse the TV, my husband is watching Ozark. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a de-shelled seafood boil. I have some de-shelled king crab legs here, sausage, corn, potatoes, shrimp. I have some cucumbers back here. And I am trying a new sauce. This is the Thai seafood sauce. Alright. So here it is with the king crab. I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon. Okay. Alright, let's do the shrimp. There's one little dip. This is all you need. Hit it with some lemon. Okay. Look at that, y'all. Ooh. I'm done with my video. This is what I have left. I tore this food up. So now I just have to clean up my mess. And I have this little, hold on, I gotta find something to set y'all up on. Set y'all up on my tea thing. But I have my empty little butter tub or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna just pour the rest of this sauce in there. Top on it, and then I only had like 2 shrimp left. How many? Yeah, 2 shrimp, sausage, a little bit of king crab, and some potatoes left. So I'm gonna just sit it in this little saucer or bowl, whatever y'all want to call it, and eat that later. I got some cucumbers too. Y'all, I do have more done. I just like to try to get all of it out, so I add a little bit of water. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I still have to edit my mukbang, and then I have to edit the video that you guys are watching right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending Sunday with me. Tony, say hey.
What's up, y'all?
So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.